About 80% of them are excitatory and 20% of them are inhibitory. As you imply, the name tells you about what they do. The excitatory neuron tend to excite other cells. So when they fire, other cell would fire more because they provide excitatory inputs. Whereas the inhibitory neuron tend to shut down other cell. So when they fire, they tend to silence other cell. And this is through them releasing different kinds of neurotransmitters. And it's really important to maintain both the excitation and also an inhibition, because you don't want either of them dominate in the brain. So the balance of the excitation and inhibition is critical. You can think about how excitation, if you have overrun excitation, then neurons tend to excite each other more and more, and you have this runaway positive loop that would then lead to situations like seizures and epilepsy. On the other hand, if you have too much inhibition, then your brain is not firing properly, and there will be just a reduction in neuroactivity, and it's just also not running optimally. So I think there has been just decades of studies suggesting that the interaction between these two forces, excitation and inhibition, have to be finely tuned and finely maintained at a stable level in the brain in order for us to function properly.